So hello guys, welcome to Quizards by PJ at Take Two India Sports. Do you guys know who Crime Master Gogo is?
Shakti Kapoor.
Definitely.
So I am his brother from another mother, Quizmaster PJ. So okay, let's start. सबसे पहले तो welcome everyone who's watching us on our YouTube channel. This is the final and probably the toughest episode ever because प्रशम बोल रहा हूँ प्रशम की स्पेशल रिक्वेस्ट पे ये क्विज जो है एपिसोड वो थोड़ा टफ बनाया है तो दिस इज इक्विवेलेंट टू फाइनल्स बिकॉज ऑन द पैनल वी हैव यशस्वी ऋतुपम Vansaj and Janam. So welcome guys. The toughest question for you so far. मतलब ये probably पूरी सीरीज का भी चार एपिसोड हो चुके हैं उसका सबसे टफ क्वेश्चन है ओके आर यू रेडी
Yes.
ओके सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सिंग डेक्कन चार्जर्स थीम सॉन्ग
Sing Deccan Chargers song.
मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि पूरा गाना गाना है दो लाइन भी गा दी तो आई गिव यू द पॉइंट्स
मैंने बचपन से वो डेक्कन चार्जर का सॉन्ग सुन के अच्छा लगा लेकिन कभी बोलने नहीं एक लिरिक्स आ जाए बस माइंड में
हाँ
डेक्कन चार्जर्स
ऐसे गुनगुनाने के पॉइंट्स नहीं ओके वो दो तीन लाइन बटे वो गाना पड़ेगा
यार सनराइजर्स नहीं चलेगा क्या दोनों हैदराबादी है यार
अरे यार ऐसा थोड़ी होता है यार
Okay, I'll pass this. I have no idea. क्या है इसका?
Okay, Janam.
Easy
Easy था यार ये क्वेश्चन यार.
मेरे को जो लिरिक्स याद है वो Go Chargers, Go Chargers, they can charge us. मतलब that's what I can recollect. उसके आगे
हाँ ठीक है चलो I'll give you the points. I'll give you the points ठीक है.
Okay.
It is the correct answer. तो बेसिकली यही था वो मैं गाना बजा दूंगा पर शायद कॉपीराइट लग जाएगा तो एनीवे गिव द पॉइंट तो या दैट्स द राइट आंसर
Was this a question?
Yeah.
Obviously that was a question.
Toughest question मैं बोला था
टाइम मेरे को
ट्रायल बोलता क्या
पहला
ट्रायल बॉल नहीं दिया ये करेक्ट मेन मैच ही 10 पे बोल्ड हो गया है आंसर सॉरी
फर्स्ट बॉल बोल्ड
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सो व्हाट इज कॉमन बिटवीन दीस प्लेयर्स सारे प्लेयर्स के वो देख रही होगी दिस इज अ नॉन एग्जॉस्टिव एज इन कि इस लिस्ट में और भी लोग हैं सो देयर इज अ कनेक्शन इन दिस सो व्हाट्स दैट कॉमन कनेक्शन बिटवीन ऑल दीस प्लेयर्स
is that question to me, right?
Yes.
IPL hat-trick, is it the one?
I'll need a final answer, sir.
Yeah, I guess that's what I get from this.
Yes,
Yeah.
that is the correct answer. So these players are the one who have taken hat-trick. That is the correct answer. So next question is for Sir Yashasvi, sir. Which cricketer has the most number of dot balls in IPL?
The answer is Harbhajan Singh.
Can you, for extra points, can you tell me the number of balls?
I'm not sure about the number of balls, but I'll make a vague guess: 1270 or 1720. I'm really not sure about this.
So I'll give you 10 points plus one extra points because it is 1268. You said 1270, so I'll give you that extra point.
Nice one.
So that is the correct answer.
Ayyo.
So these stats are
okay. I'll give you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll give you one more fact. He has bowled the maximum number of dot balls in one season. That was in 2010 when he was playing for Mumbai Indians in 2010. That was the season where he bowled the most number of dots.
Yes, that is the correct answer. But I've already given extra points, so don't be.
Yeah, I'm not being greedy.
नहीं, that is absolutely correct. वो मैं ऐसा सोच रहा था कि उस पे एकदम स्पेसिफिक डाल दे, but फिर वो बहुत ज़्यादा ही डेप्थ में चले जाता. But that is the correct answer. And yeah, so next question is for Vansaj.
हाँ जी.
ये डबल स्टेडियम हो गया. Anyways, so the question is. name all the stadiums in UAE where IPL 20 matches were hosted. So you basically
Okay,
have to
so-
tell me the venues. Yes.
नाम स्टेडियम का.
हाँ.
Okay, तो शेख जायद स्टेडियम
Okay.
ठीक है.
ऐसा मैं
Then,
मतलब एक बार में तीनों बोलना है. मैं तो सब में ओके बोल दूंगा, गलत होगा
Okay.
सही होगा, आपको फाइनल 3 आंसर देना पड़ेगा. ओके.
ओके, वो स्टेडियम का नाम बोलना है कि सिटी चलेगा वो?
नहीं, स्टेडियम का नाम
पूरा
बोलना
नाम
है.
चाहिए. ओके,
हाँ.
तो एक शेख जायद स्टेडियम हो गया.
Yes.
Then is I'm just making a guess. Dubai International Cricket Stadium.
मैं से पूछना नहीं है, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ क्वेश्चन.
Okay. ओके, मुझे लगा कि एक स्टेडियम के बाद यू आर गोना.
नहीं.
ओके, तो ओके,
कलेक्टिवली तीनों के.
ऑलराइट. सो शेख जायद स्टेडियम ठीक है. फिर दुबई इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट स्टेडियम. तीसरा इज शारजा क्रिकेट स्टेडियम.
तीनों फाइनल.
लेट्स सी. तीनों फाइनल.
रिमूवल्स. ओके, सो दैट इज द करेक्ट
I'll go
आंसर.
with. Okay.
That is the correct answer. तीनों these are on your screens, so that is the right answer. मस्त चल रहा है राउंड एकदम, मतलब पहला राउंड है ऐसा जो एकदम क्लोज चल रहा है, मजा आ रही है, अच्छे से पॉइंट गिनने पड़ेंगे. So that is
गुड
the
सुपर
correct
ओवर भी
answer.
चाहिए.
सुपर ओवर के लिए एक और गाना गब्बाऊंगा मैं फिर दिक्कत हो जाएगी. So next question is for Jaina. Which batsman duo? So we are talking about a partnership here, okay? So which batsman duo were not out for RR in the 2008 finals? तो हमको बस इतना
Okay.
बताने कि पिच पे कौन दो लोग थे लास्ट.
ओके. एक तो सोहेल तनवीर था, वो तो फॉर श्योर है. अभी दूसरा प्लेयर लास्ट प्लेयर्स फॉर आरआर. डिफिकल्ट है यार. एक मतलब चलो I'll pass this one.
Okay, Ritupan.
Shane Warne and Sohail Tanvir.
Yeah, that is the correct answer. So it
Ah.
was Shane Warne and Sohail Tanvir. I'll give 2 points to
PJ,
Jaina.
PJ, can I give a stat?
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
The stat is the last over was being bowled by Lakshmipati Balaji. Chennai had to defend, I think, 7 or 8 runs in the final over. And Dhoni
Okay,
had a choice to
give
give
you-
it to Raina or Raina either Balaji.
अच्छा, ये मेरे को धोनी की मेंटालिटी नहीं पता थी, तो I'll give you 2 points for telling
Just feel
psychological
prepared
facts.
आया है.
That's the beauty of this panel. मतलब अभी राइट नो सब लोगों को इतना कुछ पता है कि मैं एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट दे रहा हूँ, ऐसे ही फ्री में ले जाओ आप. और अभी तक तो ऐसा हो रहा था, शूट करने पे लोग जोक मार रहे थे, नाच रहे थे, उसके पॉइंट मिल रहे थे. इतने डेप्थ फैक्चुअल फैक्ट्स पहली बार आ रहे हैं. So that's why I have given you 2 extra points. So Ritupan gets 10 points for this and Jaina will give you 2 points because you said Sohail Tanvir. So that's
अरे
it.
5 तो दे यार, एक प्लेयर तो बोला ना.
This is not सब्जी मंडी. ऐसा नेगोशिएशन नहीं होता.
Quiz master is Parmeshwaram.
Yeah. Anyways, so ये क्वेश्चन था for मतलब Ritupan guessed it right. So अब next question is for Yashasvi. Which teams were involved? बहुत easy question है. So which teams were involved in the first or super over in IPL history? So that is in 2009.
Answer is Rajasthan. The answer is Rajasthan Royals versus Kolkata Knight Riders. The game was played at Johannesburg. Rajasthan, the KKR batted first in the super over, scored 15 runs. Yusuf Pathan and Dimitri Mascarenhas chased it in 4 balls, and Ajanta Mendes was bowling.
Okay, तो I'll give you 10 points और लास्ट में अगर मान लो ऐसा होता है कि भाई टाई हो जाता है तो I'll give you extra points for this. अभी क्योंकि वो फिर बहुत ज्यादा ही ऐसा हो सकता है कि हर पॉइंट पे एक्स्ट्रा इतने मिल गए कि यशस्वी gets 10 point total लास्ट में. I'll give you 10 points for this और अगर लास्ट में ड्रॉ होता है तो you'll know you'll do it. Okay, so अब क्योंकि ये 6th क्वेश्चन था तो आइडियली अब वंशज के बाद जाना था बट ये रिवर्स होके we'll go to Ritupan. Okay, so next question. ये भी बहुत easy है. So, what is the highest individual score for a batsman in the IPL?
यार कैंसिल कर देंगे यार, इसका आंसर नहीं दिया तो.
Yeah, we are not talking about the batsman, but the score.
$183 Chris Gayle. 175. Sorry, 175 Chris Gayle. अरे यार,
Are you
hold on a
sure?
sec. No, give me a moment, please.
Yeah.
यार 175 है, मतलब मेरे को 175 याद है, तो या 175 is my answer.
Okay, so that is the right answer. 175 by Chris Gayle.
Oh God.
That is the correct answer. Next question. Abhi, it goes to Jainam. What is common between these players?
What is common between these players?
Yes. सब पुरानी पुरानी बातें हैं, but there is a connect between these players.
Pass it again.
Vansaj?
Yes. सोच रहा हूँ. What's common? I'll pass it.
Yes, we sir.
Okay, this is a good question. Tough question. Let me give it a try.
Yeah.
Praveen Tambe has taken a hat trick against KKR. Harbhajan Singh has scored a 50 against Kings 11 Punjab. Ravindra Jadeja has scored a 50 against RCB. Luke Pommersbach. Luke Pommersbach in 2008 played for Kings 11 Punjab. Asif in 2008 club Delhi Daredevils. Jadeja and Harbhajan played in 2008. Tambe was nowhere in the scene in 2008. I'm not very sure about this. This is a very hard question. Even I'm not very sure. Just give me a moment. Let me think if I can get something. Pommersbach was in. Okay. Yes. There is one common thing between them. They all were actually involved in a brawl. Luke Pommersbach was involved in a brawl. Asif always in a brawl with Shoaib Akhtar. Ravindra Jadeja was banned for one season in 2010. Praveen Tambe was also in a brawl, and Harbhajan Singh slapped Srishant. Is it this? All involved and banned because of fights.
So yeah, you were correct. They were banned
Yes.
for a season or so,
Yes.
but it wasn't just about fights. Luke was banned because उसपे काफी cases हो गए थे by an US delegate, I think.
By women, yes.
हाँ, तो उसको उसकी वजह से बैन किया था, but yes, that's the right answer कि वो एक सीजन के लिए they were banned अलग-अलग. जडेजा was banned because contract का कुछ कर रहा था, वो दूसरी टीम से बात कर रहे थे.
Yes.
हरभजन का तो like you said कि चाटा मार दिया था धर के. वो अभी तक YouTube पे वीडियो मिलता ही नहीं है. But yeah,
YouTube पे खाली वो रोता हुआ चेहरा मिलता है श्रीशांत का.
Yeah.
So I get the points, right? I get the whole point. Right?
Yes. You get 10 points. Perfect.
Fantastic.
So Ritupan, this question is for you.
Easy.
So we are talking about a player here, which is named X. So X 6 wickets for 12 runs against SRH in 2009 is the best spell ever bowled in the IPL history.
2019.
19, yes, sorry. The fact that he bowled this on his debut for Mumbai Indians makes it all more special. Who are we talking about? Who is X?
Rahul Chahar.
Are you sure?
I don't know this answer, but ठीक है, राहुल चहर.
No, that's
Alzari Joseph.
yes, that is the correct answer.
Correct.
Alzari Joseph. So crazy West Indian player.
Yes,
West
on a
Indies
debut,
player,
and he was brought in as a replacement as well. He wasn't into the team; he was brought in as a replacement into the team.
Okay, one
So-
more factual points. Very nice.
And it is known, you know, Alzari Joseph
Yes.
is known to take,
Known
you know,
for
known to take big wickets in big games.
Yes.
Known for taking
Yeah.
big
Yes.
wickets in big games. I'll tell you, his
Yes.
first international wicket was Virat Kohli, and in the 2016 Under-19 World Cup final, he took three wickets in that final against India. So you know, he's a big match player, Alzari.
yes.
Yeah. Next question is for Bansaj. Bansaj, this is also an easy question. In the 56th match of
Yes.
IPL 2009, playing for RCB, we are talking about a player A, became the first Indian player to score a century in IPL. Identify A.
It's Mr. Manish Pandey.
It is Mr. Manish Pandey. That is
Excellent.
the correct answer. Yes,
Excellent.
that is correct.
Manish Pandey till date is the youngest Indian to score
Yes.
an IPL ton. Still is the youngest Indian to score an IPL.
So 11th question, this is the penultimate question. I'll give you the score after this 11th question. तो एकदम ऐसा intensity बढ़ जाएगी. So yeah, this question is for Yashasvi sir. Which West Indian cricketers went unsold in the IPL 2011 auctions? So there are 3 players we are talking about. Okay.
Okay. The first is Chris Gayle, Brian Lara. Chris Gayle and Brian Lara are the first two. Chris Gayle was later bought as a replacement for Dirk Nannes at 7.2 crores. Now the third player is Ramnaresh Sarwan and Sivnarayan Chandrapal as well. There are 4 players who were unsold. There was Ramnaresh Sarwan and Sivnarayan Chandrapal.
Can you guess one more player? Because you are correct, I'll give you points, but there's one more player who went unsold in 2011 auction. Legendary West Indian player.
Legendary Western. Was he a bowler?
I can't give you that, but right now you can count him a legend.
Okay.
I'll give you points. I'll give you the points because जैसा मैंने पहले बोला था कि कई बार ऐसा होता है कि you'll give right answers और वो जो मैंने answers लिखे हैं उसमें there might be a slight difference. So I'll give you the points, but can you guess the third batsman? Third cricketer that I'm talking about?
So the two are Brian Lara and Chris Gayle, which you wanted.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. There is Ramnaresh Sarwan and Sivnarayan Chandrapal. That makes it 4. So which you are thinking, I'm not very sure. So I don't have much idea about it.
Okay. Anyone else want to guess it? Anyone can guess it. I'll give complete points to SSB because they were there also. But in my list, I have added another player. Yeah. So if any one of you has that guess कि वो कौन है एक और, तो you can take a guess.
Is he a legend or something? Is he a legend or
was it Darren Sammy? Was it Darren Sammy?
Was it Andrew
Bravo.
Russell?
No.
Yeah, it was Andre Russell. So that's the third
No,
player.
Bravo.
The reason,
Mind में वही आया था.
so yeah, the reason why I'm talking about legendary is because at that time he was not a known
Yes,
player क्योंकि शुरू में he
Yes,
just
yes.
came and not
मैं
that
बोलने
reason,
वाला
but
था.
that was there. Yeah. So I'll give 3 points to Jainam and 10
But
points
you give
to
me 10
SSB.
points,
That's
right?
correct.
You give me 10 points.
Yeah, you'll get 10 points.
अरे मिलेगा, सबर कर. मिलेगा,
करो.
तेरा point कोई नहीं लेके
अभी-
जाएगा.
वो पॉइंट नहीं भी दूंगा ना तो भी
तू भी
जीत
तो
रहे
बहुत
सर.
आगे है. तू भी तो बहुत आगे है.
फैक्ट के 10 पॉइंट हो गए अभी ऑलरेडी. बट या दैट्स द करेक्ट आंसर एंड यस सो दिस इज द लास्ट क्वेश्चन. आई विल टेल यू द पॉइंट्स नाउ. ठीक है. So yes, Yashasvi right now is at 44 points, obviously leading. Yes, so he's at 44 points. Facts not included. अगर वो दे दूंगा तो 50 point. Right? Janam is at 26 points.
Oh.
Rutupan is at 30 points and Bansaj is at 20 points. So if Rutupan gets it, he'll obviously win. लेकिन अगर वो pass
Yes,
होता है
yes.
and it goes to Janam, Janam will win. and अगर वो भी पास होता है and it goes to Vansaj और Vansaj gives the correct answer, then it's a draw between Vansaj and Ritupan. तो फिर एक गाना कब गाएंगे? But I think this is
Come on, Rituparna, हो जाएगा.
this is an easy question, but अगर इसमें भी वही है कि अगर if you get give me an extra fact, then I'll give you the point. You'll know what the question is.
Superb, superb.
Last question. Which player currently holds the record for most number of man of the matches in IPL? So right now we are talking about the guy. Okay, अब now if you can give me the person, ठीक है, anyways you'll win. लेकिन if you give me his total number, then you get an extra point. So save victory.
AB de Villiers.
Is that a question
Is
mark
it-
or full stop? I need a firm answer.
Give me a moment, please. I need to
Yeah. You can take your time.
Is it David Warner?
Again, I need a full stop, not a
Yeah,
question
David
mark.
Warner. David Warner is my
It
guess.
is the incorrect answer.
Damn, Rituparna, you are right. It was AB de Villiers.
Oh,
You could have gone with
ABD
AB
था,
de Villiers.
ABD था.
Yeah.
With 25. With
Okay, who does
25.
it go to next? Oh shit, Janam gets. Never mind.
Yes, so ABD
Damn,
is the
what a
correct answer.
goal.
It's 24, and you were correct कि sorry,
David
क्या
Warner.
बोल रहा
David
हूँ?
Warner is next.
David Warner. David,
next.
yes.
He's next. Yes.
यही है top 5 की. So,
Oh.
but it is
थोड़े
AB.
points दे दो यार.
अगर मैं थोड़े
Yeah.
कितने पॉइंट चाहिए सर आपको बताओ कितने पॉइंट चाहिए I'll give him क्योंकि 10 points to
रुको.
Janam will be at
ठीक है
36.
10 points. नहीं यार तो कितना होता है उसका? He's at 20. He's at 34. मेरे को 5 points दे दो.
He is at 36 सर अगर आपको अब चलो 5 देते तो you are at 35.
अरे यार ठीक है never mind चलेगा no problem.
But anyways, this was an amazing round. Thank you guys. And of course, the winners are Yashasvi and Janam here at 44 and 36 points respectively.
Congratulations.
But
Congrats
Amazing,
Janam.
amazing
that's
round.
easily gone.
अमेजिंग राउंड क्योंकि अभी तक तो ऐसा डिफरेंस है कि एक आदमी के 40-50 पॉइंट और एक दूसरा है 2 पे या 3 पे. But this particular round was amazing. Thank you. You guys are legendary. I want you guys to give a applaud to yourself. You guys played well. You guys are awesome. And
Well done,
obviously,
guys.
यशस्वी
Nice.
सर
Well done.
विद एक्सीलेंट फैक्ट्स मतलब वो ऐसा है कि मैंने लिखे हैं पढ़े हैं बट मैंने बोला कि भाई साहब इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट सर सब ले गए तो आई वांट यू टू क्लैप फॉर यशस्वी सर आल्सो बट एनीवेज दिस वाज एन अमेजिंग राउंड थैंक यू गाइस फॉर joining. I'll see Janam and Yashasvi in the next round. Obviously that's the semi-final round and I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did because certainly I say it again, this was the best round we had so far. So yes, thank you so much for your time and Yashasvi obviously wasn't well and then too he was here, so thank you again.
Yes.
And also
Yeah,
congratulations
no
for winning this round. I
Thank
hope
you
you
so
guys
much for
liked
having
it.
us. Thank you so much
Yes.
for having us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for having us.
And
Everyone at
all the
home,
very
if you
best,
haven't-
Yashasvi. And thank you everyone. And Yashasvi, please do take care, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks man.
Okay.
Good luck to you as well. Good game.
ध्यान रखो.
Good game. Okay. चलो.
For those
Thank
of you who
you,
haven't
T2I.
subscribed or liked us yet, give us a like for Yashasvi's facts
Yes.
because
boys, come on.
I want to have more likes than Yashasvi's fact bundle.
सब्सक्राइब
Success
करो,
stories.
वैक्सीनेशन स्लॉट मिल जाएगा.
हम नहीं दिलवाते, हम दल्ले नहीं हैं, sorry. But anyways, Vansaj and Ritupan, probably we might have a wild card. Might have.
ओह.
So we'll see. Okay, no promises.
चलो.
We don't make big
Sure,
promises,
sure.
but we'll see.
Of course.
Anticipating.
Thank you guys for joining.
Thank you.
I'll see you guys soon.